right, this is pretty cool. Today, I'm going to show you an original and unique way to use ChatGPT and their Etsy plugin tool to find products nobody is selling that have a high demand potential, but we are going to corner the market. I'm always thinking of ways to be able to use AI in different and more original ways to set ourselves apart from the competition and grow our businesses. So most people make the mistake of finding well, I don't want to say it's a mistake, right? I'm going to backtrack. Most people try to find bestsellers and then they copy them and try to create bestsellers just like the bestsellers that are out there. And that tactic can work. Oftentimes people fail because they're copying it exactly and they're not adding any value. They're not trying to make it better. Bestsellers are good signals, but we still have to find our way to be original, right? And make the bestsellers better and use those signals to make original products in different ways. The flip side of that is finding new products to bring to market that not anyone else is doing. And this is really going to set you apart. And chances are you're going to find some winning products that people want. They're just not out there yet. And they're really hard to find because normally you would have to search through Etsy, to try to find those signals, which are not going to be there if those products aren't selling. So really, most people, that's why they stick to kind of the best sellers, which you can absolutely do and find best sellers. But today I got a good prompt for you. We're going to use this prompt here to find an Etsy niche and products that nobody's really touching. So we can create them and corner the market on them, and it'll fit into our specific niche. Now, I'm going to put the full prompt inside my community like I have all the other prompts and workflows. I have an entire AI automations for Etsy sellers kit in here, which we have how to automate POD products, how to automate social media, how to automate finding products. A lot of really good stuff in here to save you time and build your business. Also, there's a fantastic community where you can get support and get help from real people, myself, interact with real sellers and in a positive and collaborative way, which is really cool. And this is only just a couple bucks to join. It's an investment in your business long term. A lot of people have been with me for many, many, many months. You can go in here and see the reviews, which they're not showing yet. This is a new feature, but people are leaving reviews. And a lot of these people have been with me 3 months, 17 months, 6 months. So this is going to be rolled out on this platform soon, but they're there ready to be released. But there's a lot of really good resources in here to help you grow your business. So I hope you join me in here. But either way, you can use this information to set yourself apart from the rest and kind of think about your business in this way to start bringing as much value and uniqueness to the marketplace as possible. So we are going to copy this prompt and we're going to go into ChatGPT and put it in here. All right, so we put the prompt in here. Now you have to put your niche. So we're just going to do dogs. I'm a dog lover, so I like to always just kind of use that as an example. My shop type products. We're going to just put, we're just going to put unsure. If you have specific products, you'd want to put that there. We're going to put unsure just to kind of see what it comes up with. Target buyer. We are going to put dog owners, right? And that maybe the dogs themselves, but in this case, I'm just going to put dog owners. Market, country, I'm just put United States. Product type, digital, physical, POD, either. I'm just going to leave all that in there and see what it comes up with. And we're going to hit enter, and it's going to run its analysis. Now, one thing that you want to do and one thing that you want to get, which is going to make this more effective, is the Etsy plugin. So if you go into settings, go to plugins, search for Etsy, and it'll show up here, and you want to install this plugin. That way it can access Etsy directly and make it easier to find information and real data signal from Etsy itself, which is going to be even more powerful. So let's hit enter and run this. All right, and here is the report that it generated, dog owner niche gap report from Etsy. You can see it actually has real Etsy links in here. And then here is the most repeated visible products. So these are the ones that are kind of like overdone. A lot of these are best sellers probably, but everyone and their brother is doing them. We want to do things to set ourselves apart and offer products that solve problems, that are solution oriented. Most of the case, or usually like the two ways to really stand out is like, do you solve a problem or do you have an emotional attachment to what you're creating? Those do really well. And so this is what competitors repeatedly do. So personalized. So this is basically listing out, okay, here's the commonalities, right? Everyone's doing these. And then here's the underserved opportunities. So this is where this gets really, really powerful. And these are things that we can kind of fill the gap with, and they're grounded in observed results. They're not guaranteed, obviously, because they're not bestsellers yet, but we can serve a marketplace better in these unique ways. And it basically breaks these out and scores them out according to these ideas. So senior dog care, handoff emergency binder, demand gap, easy fit overall. So it scores these out. Rescue dog, first 90 days. And this would, again, if I gave it the specific product, like what I want to do, if I want to do digital, POD, or physical, it's going to be a little bit more precise to that, but I left it kind of open-ended to kind of see what it would come up with. And then it breaks out the top opportunities: senior dog care, handoff, and emergency binder. So this is an edible 25 to 35 page printable canvas system for senior dog owners leaving a dog with family, a sitter, or multiple caregivers. Included one page read first sheet, medication tracker. So I think this is really, really cool idea, and something a lot of people don't think about until you have a dog that gets older. Me personally, I had an older dog that just passed. My other dog is 9, so she's getting up there too. And when we leave her with somebody, it's very nerve-wracking. It's like a child. So we want to make sure, okay, are you giving the right meds? Are you doing the right things? Because every dog has different needs. Like my dog has a bad back, so you got to make sure to carry her over thresholds so she doesn't hurt her back. And those things are really, really important. And this is an easy system to be able to, all right, this is a clear problem solution product that we can put out there that is unique and serves a real purpose, and there is a real need for it. And I think it's one of those things that people don't even really know or think about that they need until they need it, because we're like sitting down and writing a whole one-page document that's like all mishmash, when if we had this actual binder, it would be so much easier, and then just hand that to them. So I think this is a really cool idea, super valuable. And then it has top opportunity number 2, rescue dog first 90 days setting in system. So I think this is good too. Welcoming non-clinical transition planner for adopted rescue dogs. So routine binder, what helps me feel safe profile, first week checklist. I think this is pretty cool. And then opportunity number 3, dog care handoff QR code plus fridge sheet. So an editable card and sheet set for handing a dog to a sitter or relative. So this is more like for any dog, right? So yeah, and that gives you your best product to launch first. All these are really good. These are very actionable, good, unique ideas that I think you could really kind of that they're kind of like niche down, right? This is where you can really set yourself apart. When you kind of market to everyone, you're trying to market to every dog owner. The old adage goes, you're trying to market to everyone, you market to nobody. This allows you to kind of niche down and try to find these corners of the market that I think you can do really well in. You can keep running this over and over and over again. So this is just one of the many great ways that not only you can use AI, but ChatGPT, since it plugs into Etsy, to find even more accurate information for your particular niche to help set yourself apart, to move a lot faster, and at the end of the day, get more sales. So hopefully that helps you guys out. Again, if you want that prompt and many, many other prompts and workflows to help your business continue to grow and stand out and set yourself apart, there's a link below to join the Etsy games. I'd love to see you. I'd love to work with you inside the Etsy games. And I will, of course, be back soon with some more good stuff for you guys.